broad purpose of MathUp, mathematics achievement with teachers of high-needs urban populations, was developed and implemented as a model for continuing reform of elementary teacher preparation through an innovative, school-centered, needs-based fifth-year clinical residency preparation program. As Lehman College's TQP grant comes to a close, we reflect on what we have learned along the way. Let's hear from some of our partners.
One of the things that the MathUp project brought to our school was this idea of team teaching. Before MathUp came into our building, our special ed classrooms were all self-contained 12-to-1-to-1s. In looking at the success of the MathUp project within our building, we decided to change that and move towards ICT classrooms. At this time, we have currently 4 ICT classrooms in our building because we realized the impact of having 2 educators in a classroom and how you could raise the standards within the school.
The MathUp program provides a unique opportunity to bridge that gap between theory and practice. Students often, get a lot of knowledge, theoretical knowledge about how things should be, but then they do not have sufficient time to implement and put into practice this knowledge.
The MathUp grant has had a significant and far-reaching impact on teacher education in the Department of Childhood and Early Childhood Education at Lehman. Taking what we learned by the final years of the MathUp program, we've redesigned our existing undergraduate teacher preparation programs, replacing them with new minor to master's programs.
What I did not know before entering this project is that even in a program like MathUp, it's still challenging for pre-service teachers to reconcile what they are learning in college classes to what is actually going on in classrooms. A concerted effort has to be incorporated into any program like this that requires intern teachers to have opportunities to try some of the techniques and strategies that they are learning in their college classes. So if there was any advice that I would give to new grant recipients, it would be to make sure that signature practices are modeled over and over again in multiple settings for pre-service teachers. My second piece of advice would be to make sure that the signature practices align or mirror with those of the cooperating school districts.